Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to all from the online class of Budigata Sarojini Adarsha Secondary High School. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, but you are watching online class through mobile or Bangladesh television, staying at home because of COVID-19. I hope you will enjoy this topic. Well, adding no speech, I am going to start our today's topic of article for class 6 to 8. After the topics, you will be able to define of article, classify of article, and the use of articles. First, I want to discuss about the definition of article. What is article? By which of something is meant indefinitely or definitely is called article. Another way we can define it like in English, a and are called article. Now I want to discuss about the classification of article. There are two types or kinds are articles. They are indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article at first I discuss about indefinite article. In English, a and is called indefinite article. Definite article, the is called definite article. Now I want to discuss about indefinite article. By which of something is meant indefinitely is called indefinite article. Now I want to discuss about the rules of using indefinite article. Rule number 1. The first letter is usually is consonant, then we will use a before it, such as boy, girl, etc. The noun of boy and its first letter B is consonant, so we can use A before it. Another girl, the same. But if the first letter of any noun or noun phrase is vowel, then we will use an before it, such as orange, ox. Look at the blackboard. Orange. The first letter of orange is vowel, so we can use an before it. Ox, the same. Now I want to discuss rule number 2. If the pronunciation of is like vowel sound, then we will use an before it, such as honest, HONEST, honest. The first letter of honest is, but its pronunciation likes vowel sound, so we can use an before it. Another example, air, air. The first letter of air is, but its pronunciation likes vowel sound, so we can use an before it. But the pronunciation of is likes consonant sound, then we can use a before it, such as head, hair, etc. Rule number 3. If the pronunciation of you likes consonant sound, so we can use a before it, such as university, the first letter of U and its pronunciation likes consonant sound, so we can use a before it, such as useful, etc. But first letter of U and its pronunciation likes vowel sound, then we use an before it, such as an umbrella, etc. Now I want to discuss about rule number 3. If the first letter of abbreviation likes pronunciation is vowel sound, then we use an before it, such as S, S, C. The first letter of SSC is S, and its pronunciation likes vowel sound, so we can use an before it. Another example, MCom, MSc, FRCS, LLB, etc. But the first letter of abbreviation is its pronunciation likes consonant sound, then we use a before it, such as BA, ABA, BSc, ABSc. In this example, the first letter of B and its pronunciation likes consonant sound, so we can use a before it. Rule number 4. If the pronunciation of O likes OA, then we use A before E, such as a 1 taka note, a 1 item, etc. But the pronunciation of O lacks vowel sound, then we will use a before it. But the pronunciation of O lacks vowel sound, then we will use an before it, such as an ox, an orange, etc. Now I want to discuss about rule number 5. There are some phrases in English. A is regularly used before it, such as a lot of, a gang of, a bunch of, a herd of, a shower of, etc. I hope you have enjoyed this topic well. If you like this topic, never forget to comment and share. No more today. Thank you very much.